Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. First of all, I wish you a very happy Diwali. Stay safe, stay contaminated, still COVID around. Do your things but be safe. Okay? So in today's video, I'm gonna turn this face into the face that you saw into the thumbnail and into a little bit of introduction. So I will be switching to voiceover because I don't want to waste much of your time as well as mine. So let's just quickly start with today's video.
First step is always moisturizing. So for lip balm, I'm using this NYB lip balm, and for face, I'm using my Nivea Soft Moisturizer, and I'm just massaging it all over my face as well as on my neck. And now I will be applying my lip balm. Next step will be eyebrows. So I'm just brushing them and just simply drawing them. I mean just filling them. So I'm using this Music Flower gel eyeliner in brown, and I will be just filling my eyebrows, like the gaps of my eyebrows, and I will just give them a natural finish. Like you guys can literally see, it's natural. Alright, so for face, I'm just using this concealer. This is NYB concealer, guys. Trust me, this is one of the best concealer I have came across till date. And this is in shade Chestnut Pretzel. You guys can see this is literally my shade. So I'm just gonna apply this on the spots where I think it's dark, and then with the help of a fluffy brush, I will just blend around my eyes, and I will just drag the concealer downwards to my face, like the cheeks as well as on the forehead. First, you guys have to blend this very well. So I'm just gonna blend this, and you guys can see it literally covered my whole face, like half of my face. So this is the side where it is blended, this is not. You guys can literally see the finish. I'm very impressed by the concealer, by the way. I'm doing the same on the other side. After that, when you're done blending the concealer, your brush literally have 50% of the product that you applied just run through your whole face, and then your face is all covered. By this technique, you will not need any extra foundation or any base product. Now you have to take your beauty blender, which will be damp, and now you have to gently dab it all over your face so that the beauty blender gives you more flawless finish and it takes away the product. Next, I am just setting with Johnson's baby powder. So I will take a powder brush and I will just apply the powder on the areas where I tend to crease a little, like on my under eye. And after that, I will just powder whole of my face. And
Alright, so for eyeshadow, we are going to use these two palettes. This is the Swiss Beauty, what is this? Ultra Brush Palette, and this is the 24 Karat Nudes Palette by Maybelline. So I'm going to merge these two into eye makeup, and I think every one of you owe this. If not, then you're going to just go with any brown shade that you have. But for my eye look, today I'm going to use this warm brown bronzer, which is actually a bronzer, but I'm going to use it on my eyes anyway. So I'm just gonna take this into a fluffy brush, and guys, don't mind my brushes are dirty because I am so messy nowadays. I just don't get time to wash them. But okay, just place the color here and blend it well. Can you guys see? Literally adding a little bit of eyeshadow on our eyes just make our eyes a huge different creature. Look at this face, and wait, this face. This is much better only by using few dabs of eyeshadow. So blend it very well. I'm gonna blend this. So now it's time for this palette. So I'm just gonna take this shimmery brown eyeshadow into my finger, and you guys can see it. It's literally it's the best thing to add shimmer onto your eyelid for any makeup look. Just add this here, just like this. Alright, so on the top of that, I'm gonna add this champagne brown shade using the same finger only. And right, so go back to your brush that you used for your eyeshadow to blend that, and then go again back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, just like this. So I actually had planned to add some false lashes to this look, but I think now it will be more dramatic. But I'm gonna keep it simple and beautiful, so I'm gonna add some mascara on my eyelid, on my eyelashes.
guys, I'm using the mascara by Maybelline. This is the Hyper Curl one, and you guys can see the difference it adds to my eyelashes after applying them. Now it's time for a perfect wing eyeliner. So I'm just applying my liquid liner, which is from NYB. And you guys, I'm just almost done with my eye makeup, and now I'm using the Swiss Beauty blush palette, and I'm just taking my contour shade to contour and my favorite blush shade. Adding blush on my cheeks. And now I will run through my mascara on my lower lash line and I will complete the look with this nude lipstick.
So this is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this look. I really want you guys to recreate this look and comment down below how you guys will celebrate Diwali and all those kind of things. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I really want you guys to stick around me. So please subscribe to my channel and comment down below hi, and I will reply to your comment. And I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, bye.